नमस्कार, मैं हूं डॉक्टर अन्नपूर्णा से और नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्पेस एप्लीकेशन सेंटर मेघालय में कुछ रिसर्च पोजीशंस आई हैं जो एनवायरमेंट साइंस के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए हैं और दूसरे सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए हैं। लास्ट डेट है 30th of November, 30 नवंबर लास्ट डेट है। So we'll talk about some research positions at the Northeast Space Application Center Meghalaya, and students from environmental sciences and other subjects are eligible for those positions. The last date, please mark, is November 30th. So let me show you. Here is the advertisement. Northeast Space Application Center, UMIAM, is an autonomous body functioning under the Department of Space and Northeastern Council to assist development process in Northeastern region using space science and technology. It undertakes specific applications. It undertakes specific applications projects using remote sensing, GIS, satellite communication, and conducting space science research. The center's services are helpful in natural resource management, infrastructure planning, health, education, disaster management, and Earth observation applications mission. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for the following positions on temporary project basis. So, research scientist, 1, 2 positions है. First class Master of Engineering या MTech, Civil Engineering in water resource related specialization. That means you should have done your dissertation or specialization in water resources. Or first class Master of Engineering or MTech in agricultural engineering and specialization in water resources. Or first class ME or MTech in water resources engineering or equivalent. Or first class ME or MTech in remote sensing and GIS and water resources related specialization. So you can be an ME, Master of Engineering, or an MTech in civil, agricultural, or water resource engineering, or remote sensing and GIS, but your specialization should be in water resources. Or you can be a BTech in civil or agricultural engineering with 1 year experience in relevant field, and relevant field is water resources engineering. Okay, so this was research scientist position. I'll give the link in the description box and please go through it. This is again research scientist 2 position, and the number of positions is 1. Research scientist 2 is the level of position. Number of position 1, 1 position hai. And eligibility is essential qualification or eligibility, same thing. It's first class MSc or MTech or MSc in geology or applied geology or geophysics or earth sciences or equivalent or integrated MSc in geology or applied geology, and pre-qualification of BSc with geology as main honors. So basically it's a geology position. Okay. Research scientist 3. First class MSc or MTech in botany or forestry or environmental sciences. So this position, research scientist 3 position, is for environmental sciences, remote sensing, GI, geoinformatics, and BSc in any of the natural sciences with as pre-qualification with 1 year research experience. So you can either be on MSc or MTech in environmental sciences or botany or remote sensing or geoinformatics, or if you're a BSc in any of the subjects, then you should have 1 year research experience in the field of disaster management support. Then there is RS4 position. Again, number of position is 1. एक ही position है RS4 की. और इसमें आप फर्स्ट क्लास MSc या MTech हो सकते हैं फिजिक्स में, मेट्रोलॉजी में, एटमॉस्फेरिक साइंसेज में, या अर्थ सिस्टम साइंसेज में, और रेलेवेंट सब्जेक्ट में, with 1 year research experience in the field of atmospheric sciences. So here you should have 1 year research experience in the field of atmospheric sciences plus MSc in any of these subjects. And I'll give the link in the description box. Please go through the desirable qualifications. And if you have any of the desirable qualification, highlight it on your resume and mention it on the application. Now RS5 position, there is 1 position. And in this position also first class MSc or MTech in disaster management or geography or applied geography or geology or geoinformatics or geomatics or remote sensing or geographic information system or equivalent with 1 year research experience. So here also they are expecting 1 year research experience in disaster management. Then there is research position RS6, again 1 position in any of, and then I'll give the link in the description box and please go through the details. Because I mostly talk about environmental science positions and there are too many, so I don't need to talk about everything. Then there is positions for engineers, RS9 position. This is for engineering. Then there is position for JRF 1 position, first class MSc in Geological Sciences with net gate, etc. Then JRF 2 positions. Then there are 3 positions. These are all for engineering background. Eligibility. Master of Engineering or MTech degree should be in first class. So you should be first grade, first division आना चाहिए आपको. Or CGPA grading of 6.5 on a 10-point scale. This is the minimum. And if you're BE or BTech or MSc degree should be in first class or equivalent grade with an aggregate minimum 65% average of all semesters. So first class होना चाहिए और aggregate minimum 65% होना चाहिए. And CGPA grading 6.84 होना चाहिए अगर आप BTech, BE या MSc हैं. Post code JRF to JRF3, the applicant for JRF position should qualify one of the following tests as the year and the year of acquiring qualification along with scorecard have to be furnished in the online application. तो अगर आप JRF के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो आप इनमें से कोई एग्जाम आपका क्वालिफाई होना चाहिए और उसका जो स्कोर कार्ड है वो ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन में आपको देना होगा, उसका PDF. CSIR, UGC नेट या ग्रेजुएट एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट गेट या जॉइंट एडमिशन टेस्ट जैम कनेक्टेड बाय MHRD या बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट एंड टेस्ट कनेक्टेड बाय बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स एंड बायोइन्फॉर्मेटिक्स नेशनल कंसोर्टियम या जॉइंट एंट्रेंस स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट जेस्ट joint graduate entrance examination for biology and interdisciplinary life sciences conducted by Department of Atomic Energy या all India competitive AICE conducted by an Indian Council of Agricultural Research या state level eligibility test conducted on behalf of UGC by the National Test Agency. तो CSIR UGC नेट हो या स्लेट हो या गेट हो या और इनमें से जो भी एग्जाम हो, इनमें से कोई भी एक एग्जाम आपने कंडक्ट किया होना चाहिए, तभी आप JRF एडमिशन के लिए JRF जॉब के लिए क्वालिफाई करेंगे. सो MSc जो भी होना चाहिए फर्स्ट क्लास प्लस इनमें से कोई एक एग्जाम आपका क्लियर होना चाहिए और स्कोर कार्ड आपको लगाना है एप्लीकेशन के साथ. या फिर ये एग्जाम NJET, the NJET 2021 was conducted by at NESAC on 15/3/2022, मतलब कि 15 मार्च को कंडक्ट किया गया था. और अगर आपने इसको दिया था और आपका स्कोर वैलिड है तो आप भी एलिजिबल हैं अप्लाई करने के. But NJET or net equivalent qualification should be in the discipline specialization of the essential qualification. तो जिस फील्ड में आपसे क्वालिफिकेशन मांगा गया उसी में आपका ये एग्जाम्स क्लियर होने चाहिए. All engineering disciplines gate qualification is mandatory. अगर आप engineering discipline के हैं तो गेट आपका क्वालिफाई होना चाहिए. पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिग्री इन प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज ME और पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट डिग्री इन बेसिक साइंसेज. So I'll give the link in the description box. Please go through the details. It's a very long application. Age limit for research scientist 30/11/2022 tak age 35 years. So as on the date of application, your age should be, maximum age could be 35 years. For junior research fellow, the maximum age could be 28 years as on 30/11/2022. Relaxable by 5 years in case of scheduled caste or scheduled tribe and 3 years in case of OBC candidates. Ex-servicemen, persons with disabilities are eligible for age relaxation as per Government of India orders. Tenure of the position, कब तक के लिए होगी position? Research scientist 1 year and which can be further extended based on the performance of the candidate for a maximum period of 3 years. Junior research fellow 1 year. Fellow shall not exceed 5 years of project duration, whichever is earlier. तो पहले 1 साल के लिए अपॉइंट किया जाएगा, फिर परफॉर्मेंस बेसिस पे एक्सटेंड किया जाएगा. सैलरीज, पे एंड अलाउंसेस, सैलरी होंगी सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट्स जो गवर्नमेंट का पे लेवल है ₹56,100 to 1,77,500. रियली गुड सैलरी. जूनियर रिसर्च फेलो 31,000. रियली गुड सैलरी. JRF को इतनी सैलरी मिल रही है, अच्छी बात है. द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म विल बी होस्टेड. वेबसाइट पे फॉर्म है एंड you have to fill up the form by 30th of November and the closing time will be 16 hours. मतलब 4 बजे शाम से पहले फॉर्म भर देना है. You have to fill up the form by 4 PM on 30/11/2022. Okay. Selection process. So there's a lot of detail. I'll give the link in the description box. Please look at the application in detail, see if your subject is there, see if you're eligible, and then apply. And I always give all links in the description box. So there's no need to ask me. Go to the link in the description box, read the entire application, and you know if you're eligible or not. Okay. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. प्लीज डू अप्लाई एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर दिस पोजीशन। जरूर अप्लाई कीजिए, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दिया हुआ है और आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन वहीं मिल जाएगी। जय, और अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो डेली जॉब अपडेट्स के लिए, यूजीसी नेट की प्रिपरेशन के लिए और एनवायरमेंट साइंस की फ्री लेक्चर्स के लिए और तमाम टेस्ट सीरीज के लिए जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू। जय भारत।